back to another section of Uncle Sam's math tutorial. Remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Alright, in today's class we'll be considering what I term highest common factor, H.C.f, sometimes known as greatest common factor. Now, what is highest common factor and what does it do? Remember in the last class we talked about factors, and I hope you're already familiar with what factors mean. And when you're talking about highest common factor, it only applies when solving for two or more numbers. When you're solving for two or more numbers, that is when highest common factor applies. Because you can't find the highest common factor of just one number. Because the highest factor of every number is itself. Because the highest number that can divide any number is itself. So, but H.C.f applies when you're solving for what? Two or more numbers. Now we're going to see an example on the board so you understand what I mean. So find the highest common factor of this, and this. It means what is the greatest number that can divide 36, 24, and 48 without leaving a remainder. I'm going to show you this by what? Solving with two methods. I'm going to solve the method 1 here and the method 2 here with the same question. Now the first method is what? We are going to write out all the factors of these numbers. So factors of 36 are numbers that can divide it, and they are as follows. Yes, 12, 18, and 36. Factors of 24 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12, and the 24. Factors of 48 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12, 16, 24, and the 48. So these are the factors of these three numbers. The next thing we're going to do, we are going to pick the common factor. What is common to three of them? We call it the C.F. So the common factor that you can see here and see here and see here is, number 1 is 1. We can see 2. We can see 3. We can see 4. We can see 6. We can see 12. We can see 12. We can see... Okay, that is where it stops. We are the highest common factor we can see here, because apart from 12, there is no other number we can see. So the highest common factor we can see from the three of them is what? 12. Now from this highest common factor, we can now find the highest common factor. Which number is highest here? And that is what? 12. So the highest number that can divide through 12, through 36, 24, and 48 is what? 12. So the H.C.f of these three numbers is 12. Now another method, which is a quick one that we can use to solve this question, is what? The chart method. So we're going to write the numbers here, 36, 24, and 48. And what are we going to do? We are going to find a number that can reduce these particular three numbers at the same time. Now if you watch closely, this looks like LCM method, but it's not LCM. LCM means whatever, even if it's just one that can, you start from the lowest number. Even if it's just one number that can divide, you can keep dividing and bring the other numbers down. But in H.C.f case, if you're using this method, all you need to do is what? Find a number that can divide three of them at the same time. So the first number that can divide them is what? 2. 2 divided 36 will give us 18. 2 divided 24 is 12. 2 divided 48 is what? 24. 2 can still divide. 2 divided 18 is 9. 2 divided 12 is 6. 2 divided 24 is what? 12. Now what other number can divide 9, 6, and 12 without remainder? 3. 3 divided 3 is 9. 3 divided 9 is 3, sorry. 3 divided 6 will give us 2. 3 divided 12 will give us 4. Now this junction, no other number that can divide these three numbers without remainder. So this is our what? H.C.f. 2 times 2 times 3. And you find out that it's still going to give us 12. So these are the two approaches you can use to solve for H.C.f. I hope you got it. See you in the next video.